In this video, I'm about to show you how to do motion tracking in CapCut. If you want to make dynamic and engaging videos, motion tracking is a great feature to use. This technique makes the camera follow a moving object, adding a professional touch to your edits. Fortunately, CapCut, a popular video editing app, offers motion tracking to help you achieve this effect. To use motion tracking in CapCut, first open CapCut and start a new project. Add your video from the gallery. Next, go to the text option at the bottom menu and type a simple symbol, like a dot. Then make the dot a bright color and increase its size. Ensure the dot is centered as it will act as your tracking point. Now match the duration of the dot, the text to the entire video. Add a keyframe at the start of your video and center the dot on the object you want to track. Continue adjusting the dot's position frame by frame for the whole video to follow the object accurately. Once done, delete the text or dot. To make the video flow smoothly, you can slightly increase the video speed, for example to 1.2x. Finally, save your project and enjoy the results of your motion tracking edit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.